Hi YouTube, welcome to the fifth tutorial on Solr. In this tutorial, we're just trying to give you an idea that you can make complex query to Solr. And if you're not following these tutorials on Solr, then um, you have to take a look at the previous two tutorials at least, because this is kind of follow-up tutorial of tutorial 3 and 4, where we try to index JSON data and CSV data using Solr. So just to sum up, previously we have indexed 9 books and using Solr, using JSON and CSV formatted data. And this time we're just making queries, complex queries to those data that we have indexed with Solr. Now the query is written on the screen here. You can see that we are sending the localhost 8983 port this query. And the first query, so the query starts from that point and it goes up to that point. And these are the particulars or the explanations of the query that we are making. At first, we have q equal to star colon star. That's the main query. It's kind of select star type of query, where actually star colon star means you have to search all of your index data. You are asking Solr to get all that matches the query. Now the second one is field list, and it's abbreviated as FL. And FL is set to ID, title, series, and pub year. This means, in analogical term, you can say that it's kind of select field 1, field 2, field 3 from table in SQL. So you're saying, okay, if you have a match, then just give me the ID, title, series, and publication year of the book, not everything. We are also going to sort them according to the publication year, and it's going to be in descending order. And this is just going to be like order by kind of thing in SQL. And we are also going to group them. That's why group is set to true. Now, after turning this on, grouping and field collapsing feature, we have also turned group.main feature equal to true. This means that we are going to put the group documents where the main query results normally appear instead of in the group section of the response. Also, our group.field is set to series S, and this means that we're going to group the matching documents that are given us by Solr according to the series field that the books have. This is kind of new that we have facet is equal to set to true. This means that we're turning on the faceting feature of Solr, but we're not going to talk about that much in this tutorial. We will cover them in the next tutorials. Facet.field is set equal to category of the book. So this is for getting the counts for each value of the category field. So to sum up, we have indexed 9 books previously. Of them, 5 are fantasy books and 4 were science fiction books. So we will get that response from Solr. 5 and 4 for these two categories. We will see them if we just post this query to Solr. Okay, so now it's time to just copy the command and we go to the web browser, and on the web browser we paste and go. Now you can see that everything is in order to the query we just have made, and make sure that your Solr instance is up and running. Sometimes I forget to run Solr instances, and then I am kind of stumbled that the query is not giving me anything. Well, this time we are getting 9 numbers here as a response, and you can see the ID, title, and publication year is provided to us. The first book didn't have any kind of series in it, and then we have all the books there. Now the faceting facility, it gives us the categories fantasy is 5 and sci-fi is 4, just as we have talked about that we have these amounts of books into these in these categories. And I can also see that the books are there ordered according to the publication year. So 2001 comes at the very top of our search response, and 1952 is at the bottom because we have said that we are going to sort them according to the publication year, and it's going to be in descending order. So that's pretty much of it. In this tutorial, we tried to show you that you can do some complex queries, not just simple queries to Solr. And we tried to provide as much information as we can in this small amount of time in terms of the parameters that you can send to Solr. But we didn't talk about some of the parameters, but we will try to cover them in the later tutorials. And if you are benefited from this tutorial, then please press like, and if you want to get more updates on these tutorials on Solr and other technology, then please subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you very much.